Hello students, very good morning all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic chemical properties of alkane. Combustion. Combustion means alkanes on heating in the presence of air or dioxygen are completely oxidized to carbon dioxide and water with the evolution of large amount of heat. That is called a combustion. It means in this process uh, alkane will come oxidize. It means oxidize with oxygen and also evolve uh, carbon dioxide and water, and also water in the form of the uh, weapon, and also release the heat. So that is called a combustion, oxidation of alkane. Here CH4 plus 2O2, then on heating, then that will form a CO2 plus 2H2O water molecule. This one is also alkane plus 13/2 O2 molecule equal to on heating, then that will form a 4 molecule of the carbon dioxide and 5 H2O. Here is combustion equation. It means that is the alkane, and that is the amount of the oxygen Cn. It means alkane is CnH2n plus 2 plus Cn plus 1/2 O2. So then N CO2 plus N plus 1 H2O. Suppose here N is equal to 2. So then let's that value put in this equation. So that will be the CnH2 means H2 to N, it means 2 to the 4 plus 2, it means 6, and Cn means C2 plus, put that value, N is also here, it means 3 to the 6 plus 1 7, 7/2 O2. Then that value will be N means 2 CO2 plus N plus 1, 2 plus 1 3 H2O. Okay, right? So then put in that value. So their value will like that. CH4 plus O2, that is the incomplete combustion. If alkane will not completely oxidize or combust, so then they will form like that carbon and plus water molecule. It means carbon, so that will be like a black sooty like that. What is that? Black like sooty that, yeah, black powder like that, right? Now here next properties of alkane, alkane, controlled oxidation. Controlled oxidation means that process will be under the control. Like a CH4 plus O2 is equal to Cu, and that temperature in 523 Kelvin and 100 per 100 atmospheric pressure, and that will form a alcohol. It will CH3OH. Under control they will form a different type of the product. Under control that will form a different type of product. Like here they are forming a alcohol. Here also CH4O2 MO2 MnO3, then HCHO MO2 O3 HCHO plus H2O, that is the aldehyde. So in this process they are forming a aldehyde because that is that process under the control oxidation of alkane. Next is CH3 plus CO3O2, then CH3CO whole twice Mn on heating. So then that is they are forming a 2 CH3COH2, it means carboxylic acid. Next CH3 whole thrice CH, oxidation in the presence of KMnO4, then CH3 whole twice COH, they are from different. It means controlled oxidation means alkanes on heating with a regulated supply of oxygen or air at high pressure here, and in the presence of suitable catalysts give a variety of oxidation products. It means that is the under the high pressure and also regulated supply of the oxygen, dioxygen, and high pressure. So then that will form a different types of the products, right? And also catalyzed by the suitable catalyst. These are the suitable catalyst. This one. These are the suitable catalyst also. Also, orderly alkanes resist oxidation, but alkanes having tertiary hydrogen atom, that have a tertiary hydrogen atom. This one is this one, and oxidized to corresponding alcohol by the potassium permanganate, right? And then that form the alcohol like that. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and to share, subscribe and comment my YouTube channel.